Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best heat-resistant gloves. Whether you're grilling up a storm, working in a scorching kitchen, or engaging in welding projects, these gloves are your trusty companions. Crafted with precision and designed with your safety in mind, they offer unparalleled protection without compromising on comfort. After meticulous research and testing, we've narrowed it down. Here are the best ones out there. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth heat-resistant glove in our list is the Caiman 1878, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. These gloves don't hold back when it comes to comfort and protection. With a substantial 21-inch length and heavy-duty padding on the forearm and elbow, they're built for maximum coverage. Plus, they're crafted from supple black genuine American deerskin material, ensuring both flexibility and durability. They got the extra mile with reinforced patches, padding, and a heat shield, providing top-notch defense against extreme heat and sparks. Designed for colder climates, these gloves feature sock-lined foam or fleece insulation, giving you exceptional warmth so you can work without any discomfort. The three-dimensional pre-curved fingers, along with the form-fitting design, offer unmatched dexterity, making even intricate tasks a breeze. In terms of durability, the Caiman doesn't disappoint. It's stitched with Kevlar thread for maximum resilience against heat and abrasion. The cuff palm and lean-on patch are reinforced to ensure that these gloves can stand up to the most demanding welding tasks. For convenience, each pair comes with a 3-inch carbiner and exclusive Caiman loops for easy access to your gloves. Now let's address the price tag. These gloves do come at a premium, but considering the features they bring to the table, they're unquestionably worth the investment. When it comes to top quality gloves, the Caiman 1878 is in the league of its own. They're a testament to the saying, you get what you pay for. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for professional-level welders, since these gloves are made for rigorous daily use. The fourth heat-resistant glove on our list is the Yuan leather welding gloves, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. For today's budget pick, we have the 16-inch Yuan leather welding gloves that offer great all-around performance. Made from 100% split cow leather with a thickness depth of 1 mm to 1.2 mm, the gloves not only boast a good amount of thickness, but also softness and flexibility. On top of that, they're made to withstand temperatures up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit, providing you with maximum performance when it comes to heavy-duty welding or gripping burning hot items such as coal or wood. Backing up this high-temperature resistance is their sturdy Kevlar stitching. These gloves are built to last, no matter how tough the job. They even come with a reinforced palm to provide a cushioning layer, making them ideal for handling sharp or heavy objects. Convenience-wise, these gloves deliver. They have 100% soft sweat absorption cotton lining and denim jean cuffs, plus fireproof thermal protection and insulation properties, which make them ideal for animal handling and barbecue. A hook design also makes these gloves easy to hang for a more neat and tidy working environment. It's important to mention that these gloves might be on the larger side for female hands, so if you're considering these, it's wise to keep that in mind. Finding the perfect fit is crucial for both safety and comfort in any work environment. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for household tasks that deal with high heat. The third high heat resistant glove in our list is the DEWALT Premium Welding Gloves, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. When it's DEWALT, you're pretty sure you're getting a winner, and this is also the case for the welding gloves. These gloves are designed for use in the workshop as they're made with fire-resistant materials that provide complete protection from open flames, sparks, slag, and spall. Boasting Kevlar threading, they're extremely durable and also provide extra protection against cuts, slashes, and punctures. Plus, they're made from 100% grade A buffalo leather for added abrasion protection. Aside from their heavy-duty build, these gloves are specialized with knuckle and finger guards that protect your hands from impact. What's particularly impressive about these DEWALT gloves is their extended gauntlet style cuff. This design feature makes them a perfect fit for coordinating with fire-resistant sleeves and jackets, ensuring seamless integration into your safety gear. Slipping them on is also a breeze. The elastic sewn wrists are another thoughtful touch, providing a secure and comfortable fit that stays in place even during the most demanding tasks. It's all about ensuring you have the utmost confidence and protection while you work. Now we do have to address a single limitation of this pair of gloves. While they're great in terms of quality, they don't cover your entire forearm, so we recommend using them with sleeves and jackets built for heavy-duty welding. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for metal inert gas welding and tungsten inert gas welding due to the glove's solid build that can withstand the highest temperatures. The second heat-resistant glove in our list is the Lincoln Electric Traditional Welding Gloves, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. These 14-inch gloves by Lincoln are built to withstand open flame and are trusted by professional fabricators day in and day out. Boasting excellent heat resistance, the Lincoln is constructed with high-grade leather for extreme temperature protection, as well as a soft cotton liner and straight thumb for maximum comfort and fingertip sensitivity. Inside, you'll see that the cuff also features a liner with twill cotton that absorbs moisture during use. When it comes to welding, grip is crucial. These gloves have you covered with a leather thumb strap that not only enhances grip, but also adds an extra layer of durability. The exterior boasts high-grade leather reinforced with robust Kevlar threading. Stress points are given extra attention with leather reinforcement, while the interior is fully lined for resilience against flames, heat, spatter, and sparks. Let's not forget that each of the glove's seams is reinforced with a piece of leather called a welt that functions to increase durability and protects it from tears. Regarding a minor consideration, straight out of the box you might notice these gloves feel a bit clunky. However, after some wear and break-in, this concern becomes a thing of the past. They adapt seamlessly to your hands. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for metal inert gas welding, as these gloves are designed to provide the user with thermal protection and durability despite rigorous daily use. The best heat-resistant glove in our list is the RAPICCA welding gloves, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The RAPICCA welding gloves stand out as the only pair featuring double reinforced Kevlar layer padding on both fingers and palms, arguably making them the most heat-resistant gloves available. In between, there is a composite layer laminated with a high-temperature resistant, air-isolated aluminum foil and a flame-retardant cotton cloth. The inner layer offers a 100% soft, insulated cotton lining, ensuring both durability and comfort. We mustn't overlook the flame-retardant insulated liner, which provides you with a combination of heat and cold resistance along with sweat absorption, breathability, and allergy-free properties. For added forearm protection, the 16-inch extra-long gloves boast 7.5-inch sleeves, making them perfect for handling grinding debris, welding sparks, hot coals, open flames, hot kitchenware, and extremely hot steam. Crafted at 1.5mm thick with a soft shoulder split natural cowhide leather, these gloves excel in wear, puncture, cut, and oil resistance. In terms of maintenance, a simple wipe down with a damp cloth and allowing them to air dry is all that's needed. However, it's worth noting a small consideration. These gloves are generously sized, with ample material for maximum protection. Consequently, you may need to practice a bit to regain precision and control while wearing them. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for all-around use, whether you're doing professional welding or household duties. And there you have it, folks, our best heat-resistant gloves, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next heat-resistant glove roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.